What are the best Spanish learning apps? In my opinion, like the best Spanish learning apps, I'll just say right directly, is language transfer, because it's just a course that goes through grammar, through, explaining the why and the logic, and it's free. So I think that's the number one if you're trying to learn for free. After that, I would say either ChatGPT or HelloTalk, as we discussed. Those are the tools I use for conversating with natives or speaking with natives. And then I would honestly say any type of like streaming service or like YouTube or any type of like platform that you can find content, native Spanish content, and that has good, accurate subtitles and transcripts for transcript training, which is just how I study vocabulary. And the reason why is just because, obviously, like I said, language transfer is the best is one of the best. Definitely the best tool, free tool that is, for a free course for learning Spanish grammar. And then, obviously, speaking to natives is probably the best way to get fluent in Spanish, because your goal is to speak to natives. And then, the reason why content, I would say, is so good is because when you're trying to learn Spanish vocabulary, a lot of people, they can understand it when it's written. And that's because when it's written, you're taking out all the aspects of the language that makes it hard to understand when it's said. Because when natives speak, compared to when it's on a flashcard and it's just written, the difference is on a flashcard, the flashcard doesn't have the words being said fast, in context, with an accent. And also, like, when I say in context, I'm referring to like also surround, like noise around you. Like there are so many factors in actual native speech, like speed and accent, that affect how the word is used and how it sounds, that saying that they're even the same language is, to me, almost inaccurate. And so that's why I think learning with content, for learning vocabulary through content, or just learning the entire language through content, is probably the best way. And that's also what I did. It's not just like, I'm not just saying it for the sake of it, or because I that's what I offer in my program, or like what I say in my videos. It is because that's how I learned Spanish. And from what I've seen, the people who got fluent the fastest